Today we're checking out the Oppo A3 Pro, a budget-friendly smartphone with some impressive features. Should you buy it? Let's dive into the full review. First up, the design. Sleek, lightweight, and surprisingly premium for plastic. The 6.67-inch in-plane switching LCD delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and buttery smooth scrolling thanks to 120 Hz. Plus, the under-display fingerprint scanner is quick. Performance? The Mediatek Dimensity 6300 handles casual gaming and multitasking well, though heavy games need lower settings. The 5100 mAh battery lasts all day, and 45-watt charging refuels it in just 45 minutes. Awesome for the price. Cameras are decent but not flagship level. The 50-megapixel main shooter takes crisp daytime shots, while the 2-megapixel depth sensor helps with portraits. Low-light photos are okay, and the 8-megapixel selfie cam gets the job done. Video, just 1080p at 30 FPS. No 4K here. So who's this for? If you want a smooth AMOLED display, great battery life, and fast charging on a budget, the A3 Pro is a steal. Drop a like if this helped, and subscribe for more quick reviews. See you next time.